start one of these trips when it isn't raining. Your dad and I traveled together, just the two of us, for a long time. And it was almost too easy because we can read each other without even talking. Jim is a guy that can get along with anybody as long as that person is making an effort, has some enthusiasm, and wants everything to work.
He's been a good addition, I think. And he adds a lot to the fellowship.
Stop leaking gas all over Cam behind him.
Yeah.
If they saw what Dave just did to the environment, we're all going to jail.
Yeah. Well, not only that, the street department has some work to do.
You're not very green.
Yeah. The rain I didn't like because, for one thing, I have an open face helmet. I have to duck behind my windshield, which I have is fairly tall, but it gets drops all over it, so I can't see through it very well. So it was a little, that part was a little treacherous.
Yeah, where we see the next fork, I think we take the right. All right, we'll soon see. When we first turned off that main gravel road and started up this real narrow road, but it had pine needles or fir needles all over it. It was brown. So I thought to myself, oh, this isn't going to be too slippery. And we shot up that hill, and I thought this is going to work out great, but it just kept raining and raining and raining.
But isn't that kind of like an easy, burnt knob climb?
Tell me we don't have to go back the way we came. I was uncomfortable with the rain as to when we were going to get into really mushy circumstances, which it could have been a whole lot worse than what it was. And so, I thought I did pretty good with it, but it was kind of at the max end of my comfort zone at that point.
Body back into his comfort zone.
Hey, here we are. Did you see the rain?
Look
at the sky.
Yeah. I was asking Jim earlier. He said that ride we went on was a little bit outside his comfort zone. So I was trying to get him to describe what his comfort zone is, because I wasn't sure what part of that ride bothered him today.
Well, that was stuff, that was a lot of the kind of stuff we had in Mexico that just scared me to death, you know. I've never done anything like that before. Now I've done it twice.
Yeah, but isn't it easier with a little water to lubricate all that dust?
Yeah.